And this Thanksgiving season, I'm gonna show you how I make turkey deep fried. It takes 5 days to get it done right. I warned you. Turkey in water, make sure it's completely covered. When it comes to turkey, it has this very weird aftertaste. So in order to get rid of it, we have to brine turkey. You can't just pull turkey out of the fridge and cook it. So we're gonna deep fry this turkey. So first thing first, when you have to defrost completely, put it in the refrigerator. When you bought it, get it defrost. Remove all the extra stuff that comes with it. Get rid of it. Take this holder, get rid of it. You need rosemary, put it inside. Sage, put it inside. Thyme, put it inside. And few bay leaves, like 2 or 3, doesn't matter. Put it on. Depends on the size of turkey. So this one is medium, it's 15.5 pounds. So then 1 cup of salt. Once it's all done, put it in a bucket. Submerge turkey in water. Make sure it's completely covered. Put some salt on. Put it in the refrigerator and leave it at least for 24 hours. More would be better. I need to mention this. You cannot use sugar for deep fried turkey. This is deep fried turkey. If you use any sugar, it's gonna burn. 2 sticks of salted butter, it needs to be melted completely. Garlic, you can use 4 or 5 cloves. I use a lot, I love it. So I got lemon, we're gonna squeeze some lemon, bourbon, and some vinegar. We're gonna mix it all together in a blender. Put this in a blender. Now we're gonna put some bourbon, like 2 tablespoons, and garlic, and we're gonna squeeze some lemon. All right, let's blend this. Our turkey is brined, we want to take out all the ingredients that we put on. They have this, remove it, get this completely cleaned. You don't want anything on your skin. And we are going to be injecting all the marination that we just did. So for this, you need that tool. You can get this anywhere, Home Depot, Walmart, and we're gonna inject this inside breast area, leg and thigh area, and wings. So this is how we doing it. Poke some holes, like several places. You want all this marination throughout the breast area. And also legs. Reason we blend all this so that all the ingredients will be melted and will be really easy to go through. Once you cook this, deep fry it, all that butter is gonna go in your meat, and trust me, it's gonna taste amazing. So, and some of the remaining you can just pour it on turkey, some inside, and can leave it. And then put this in your refrigerator for another, at least overnight, 24-hour, better or more, so that all that marination gets inside the meat. Now our turkey has been marinating in a fridge for at least 24 hours. Very important when you deep frying turkey, choosing the right stuff. So you need set. They pretty much sell all this set where you have a pot, you have a burner, and of course you're gonna need a propane. Choosing the right oil. I like this one. It's for deep frying with peanut, and this oil is specifically designed to stand high heat. If you're gonna put the wrong type of oil that cannot stand high heat, your oils will start burning, your turkey will turn black. We're gonna fill this with oil. You need about 3 pounds of oil. Okay, so we're gonna fire this up, and we need to preheat this to 350. Now we're gonna close this, wait until it gets to 350. It's gonna show right here. So what we need now, we're gonna take off everything from skin. You don't want to leave any butter or anything like that. Skin has to be clean because it's gonna burn. So we're just gonna wash everything off. Turkey, this comes with that pot, set turkey on top here. I like to put this like that so it doesn't stick out when oil is burning. Then grab your mat, paper towels, or whatever you want to use. Dry this up, take it off. Another thing is important that if you're gonna leave wings loose like this, what's gonna happen? They're gonna burn. So we need to put them together, all together with turkey like this, so that wings cooked at the same time be done as turkey is. So then we're gonna go around for a tie up, put this back like that, and this way. Just like that. Take excess pieces off. Save label. What you need this for is your weight. The best size turkey is about 16, 17 pounds. Less is good too. Very big turkey, you might want to separate dark meat from white meat to fry it separate because it's hard to get it done right. So the amount of time we'll be burning, will be frying is 3 minutes per pound. So I got turkey that's 1576. So we're gonna do about 48 minutes and it should be done. Oil has to be at 350 degrees. Our temperature has reached 350 degrees. For your safety, turn this off. And because if oil spills, it's gonna cut up fire. So, and then put this aside. Get your turkey, get your glove, start setting very slowly, don't drop it. Then cover it. Put your fire back on. And maintain at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll be cooking about 48 minutes, as I said, but we're still gonna watch it because sometimes turkey gets past there a little bit, so we're still gonna watch it. Our goal is to reach 165 degrees inside the turkey, so we'll be measuring that. Once it's 165, then it's done. Pull it out. So we're gonna set the turkey, and I suggest that you let turkey rest before you start cutting it. At least 30 minutes or so, but more is better because all the juices is gonna get back inside the meat. And then you can carve it and prepare it. Okay, let's take all this off. So, and if you want like steal a little bit to try it before everybody is, the best part is right here. That's called oyster. I love that part. Look at this. I'm telling you, this is the best turkey you would ever make if you're gonna make it right. Follow my recipe and try it.